The Rug Doctor comes with a hand tool for cleaning soft furnishings, stairways, around skirting boards, and even things such as car and caravan interiors. It's fitted with a 3.5 metre hose which attaches to the back of the machine in 2 stages. First, pull out the grey pipe attached to the black vacuum hose in the machine and push it into the end of the grey hand tool hose, making sure it's a tight fit. Second, detach the braided carpet cleaning solution hose by pulling down the ring on the nickel-plated quick release connector. Then insert the hand tool's braided hose. It will click shut. To ensure it's correctly fitted, gently tug on the hose. Some machines have a brass quick release connector. With this type, pull down the brass ring and the braided hose connector will release itself. Then pull down the brass ring again until you can see the silver ball bearings and insert the hand tool's braided hose connector. Release the brass ring, making sure it has snapped fully back into the closed position by gently tugging on the hose. Before using the hand tool, make sure the rocker switch on top of the machine is set to Hand Tool. Remember, never switch the machine on until the hand tool hoses are properly connected and you've set the mode switch to Hand Tool. Otherwise, cleaning solution will spray continually from the bottom of the machine. Now the hand tool is ready to use. It's perfect for cleaning upholstery, stair carpet, around skirting boards and reaching awkward places. Squeeze the hand grip to spray the cleaning solution onto the carpet. Push down and pull the hand tool backwards so that the cleaning solution and brush penetrate the carpet fibres to release the dirt. The machine has the same suction and same cleaning power as it does when it's cleaning carpets. When using the hand tool on soft furnishings, you need a different cleaning solution. Rug Doctor Oxy Power Fabric Cleaner is formulated exclusively for using with the Rug Doctor hand tool attachment. Its oxygen boosters clean and brighten upholstery without harming delicate fabrics. It comes in a 1 litre bottle. Pour 250 ml into the red base tank, that's 1/4 of the bottle, and then top up with hot water to halfway up the mesh filter, only using lukewarm water on wool. Oxy Power Fabric Cleaner contains Rug Doctor Anti-Foam to ensure optimum vacuum suction throughout the cleaning process. Using the Rug Doctor hand tool attachment makes cleaning cushions and other soft furnishings really easy. And look at how the hand tool removed this coffee stain from this cushion. Before using the hand tool, always test the fabric you want to clean for colour fastness. Follow the instructions on the fabric cleaner bottle. There are certain fabrics that are not suitable for cleaning with Oxy Power Fabric Cleaner. Please read the instructions and guidelines on the bottle before use.